making Punjabi snacks. This snack will blow your mind. Come on. So for this we need self-raising flour, ajwain, kalonji and salt. We're gonna take 1 bowl maida, self-raising flour, and we're gonna add 2 spoons semolina suji. We need ajwain. You can do like this for nice smell. And kalonji is my family favorite. That's why I'm adding like that much. And we're gonna add some salt. And then we need to add some oil. So I'm gonna add desi cube, 2 spoons desi cube. So we need to mix properly everything. I will make nice dough now with this. First we need to mix all desi cube properly. Now we're gonna add water. So we're gonna add pinch of baking powder. So our dough is ready, guys. We need to wait more 10 minutes to settle this dough. So we're gonna cover this and wait for 10 minutes. So our dough is ready. We're gonna make in 2 parts like this. So we need to cut the pieces now. If you guys have pizza cutter, you guys can use pizza cutter. Otherwise, you guys can use knife. Our oil is ready for frying. So you guys can see now, this nice and crunchy mutter is ready. Don't worry about it. When you put in the pan, you just think it's all together and it's gonna be messy. No, it's gonna be like separate all together. It's gonna be separate by itself, so don't worry about that. Wow. So time to take out. You guys can see your nice crunchy mutter is ready to eat. So I'm gonna add now another one. Which one is left?
Oh, it looks better than the bloody shop, mate.
Yeah, and it's fresh. We can store for 2 months. It's very hot. Don't try now. Try later. Smell is very nice, guys. I'm feeling hungry now. I need a cup of tea now. Nice and yummy Punjabi snacks. Mutter is ready to eat now. I think so. This is favorite snacks for every Punjabi families, all families. They love this mutter.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
With tea especially.
Yeah.